So people are always asking what it's like to fly FPV at the racetrack.
Hey, going on?
It's the right pedal. The right pedal makes it go.
The right pedal does make it go, but that left pedal is what gets it sideways first.
Alright, I'm at the US Drift Circuit season finale here in Sebring. And now, I'm at OSW.
Right there. I think that my Christmas has died. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song.
And honestly, it's weird watching the cars leaving from this angle. I like watching them from the sky.
This is not a Christmas.
It's race day!
I guess every day is Christmas when you this gifted. Accidentally went and manifested my whole wish list. Now to celebrate, I'm getting twisted like the Grinch is. Making a reindeer, Lord, look how dripped the wrist is. I noticed you out there in the cold. She bet she getting nothing but cold. I'm mad, I should have probably called. I guess it's just another holiday I'm spending alone. When I was just a boy, Christmas brought so much joy. Couldn't wait for the presents and laughter.
Where's the Super Saturday?
I couldn't sleep late at night, looking for Santa with lights. Those are the memories I
like and subscribe.
Remember. Then I became a man, lost sight of who I am, but right in front of me was the answer. 'Cause on Christmas I feel joy, and I turn back to a boy. The answer is to stay young forever. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song.
Alright, I'm gonna call that a Flyday. It has been a hell of a year. I went to so many different places, I saw so many different people, filmed so many events, and I enjoyed every single one of them. But anyway, it's almost 2023. I hope everybody's having a great holiday season, and we're all looking forward to what's coming next year. I see a lot of people have got some big plans. Some of you are getting ready to do big things, and I hope it works out for everyone. And I'll be there to record it. All right, everyone, have a good year, the rest of what's left, and we'll see you in 2023. Peace!